Hello. I don't want to look like one of those really cheap channels, yeah. So, today I decided, since my channel is a variety channel, I would do a simple little drawing. Now, I see this game going around. I think it's called Among Us. Now, I've seen a lot of people play it and all that, but of course you don't want me to get into detail. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a character from Among Us, and I hope you like this. Yeah. I suppose here we go. Alright, so first thing that we're going to need to do here, well, I don't want to look like a lot of those people with really light lines, so sorry if my lines are light. But what we want is this kind of basic shape. So think of just a line, and then just a little dome over that line. Now, once you take that dome, bring over just about like, see the tip of my pencil here, measure it up like almost half of the tip of my pencil, or your pencil in this case. Now, of course, this isn't going to be my best drawing because I am doing it one-handed. But what you want next is you want this. You want kind of a hook shape, and you want to bring it over, and then you want to bring it up. And this is where a lot of people just do an oval, but you see, the thing is, when I was looking at my reference picture, which you should always use, is that it kind of comes up bigger to make the sense of that it's going in that direction. So it's like it's staring at you from the side. So next we want the little line to match up with that. There we go. And you might say, wait, where's the feet? The feet must be so hard. And no, they're not. They're just like anything else. Now you want another little hook. You want to take it over, not make it super big. You want it like that. You take this leg, bring it over, and you do want it to be a little bit down to the ground, more down to the ground than this one. And you do it like that, and then all you do next, super simple, just a little line like that to indicate that this is the leg that is showing on this side. Now, for the hardest part, the backpack, which I'm joking, it's not that hard. Just a little curve, bring it over, and then a little curve. And you want to make sure that it's right below this line right here. You can draw a line to make sure that it's right there, and then that's that. So this is the character in the basics. Now, of course, I myself would never use this basic of a character. So what I did was I made a little meme. And, you know, you have a nice little picture. And if you want to see how to do these, I will make a video on how to do this whole image. Probably either next week or tomorrow. I don't know, but hope you liked the video. We'll fune it out.